Yo,
You deal with the phone?
give me money.
Motherfucker. I can't friggin'
Me,
it. What?
give me money. Me not even I see out of this. Either.
If you're not friggin' talk, can't hear what you say.
Me go pan a robbery.
Just hold on. Go on over the car. Hold on. Yeah. I want to give phone now. So how you gonna deal with the phone? Alright. So you gonna deal with it by tomorrow. So how much you that charge to deal with? What fuck, bitch? Me not smoke money in right now. Keep some for the teeth and rob and kill. Just you know man.
Yeah, check this. You know, no money.
Let that brother. Hold on, just give me a second. Alright, I'm gonna line up some money.
Yo, money me come. Give me money.
Then let's say 250.